Hare Krishna. Now we are at the entrance of the temple, and as you know, the big news the government has given us 3 acres extra land to develop as park around the temple. So the entrance of the temple now looks very grand and very beautiful. Uh, you can see this. This is now temple is opening to the east side, and we have also made a road. You can see as we approach the temple, and we can see these are the holes. These are for the trees we are going to put on the both sides of the road, and it really looks beautiful as you approach the temple. This will be on the other side. We are going to develop a beautiful fountain. Okay, so this will be a beautiful way to, as you will enter the temple, you will get a beautiful picture now here. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna. Now we are at the door of the temple. As you can see, there is just half